Good morning, friends. I've missed you. It's Jenny. I have an IPSY unboxing. This came in the mail yesterday. So let's see what's inside. Oh, it has a foam sheet. This is like a egg crate sheet. It says clean slate. Okay, so we have the lip treatment in clear, Hanalei lip treatment in clear. And this is $20. And I am obsessed with like chapstick and lip gloss and things like that. So hopefully this is something like that. Ooh, this is made in Hawaii. Very cool. I hope there's no coconut in it. It doesn't have ingredients listed on the thing here. Ah! There's grape, beeswax. It's really hard for me to read this tiny print. A kui seed oil. We're good. There's olive oil. There's no coconut, so I can use it. It smells like I imagine Hawaii would smell, like tropical. I can't wait to use this. Next is the Goldfaden MD Doctor's Scrub. This is an IPSY headquarters fave. It is $38. That's for your face. Oh, and it's it has a security wrap around it. I wanted to smell it. Oh. I really want to smell this. Let's see. See if I can get it open now. There we go. Open. Oh. Ooh, it smells like limes. It smells fresh and clean. Okay. Next, we have, I got a brush. Oh my gosh. A Complex Culture Press and Set bronzer brush that is worth $35. Let's see, the top is sealed, so we'll just open the bottom. And open Ellaby. Oh, this is so pretty. It's gray and gold, and it has a gray and white brush tip, and it's so soft. Can't wait to use this with my Lime Life stuff. Oh my gosh. Wow. This must be the cover for the brush. How do you do this? Like this. To protect your brush. There we go. Now my brush will be clean and protected. What's next? Oh, an eyeliner. Oh, I need an eyeliner so bad. This is by Sugar Cosmetics Wingman Waterproof Eyeliner in I'll Be Black. Value is $11.99 for an eyeliner. What? Oh, cool. It's a waterproof microliner. That's awesome. Let's see, this one has a perforation. I should be able to open this one so you can see it. There we go. Here we go. And the tip, does this turn? How does it open? There we go. Very cool. And then Huda Beauty Obsessions palette in warm brown, and this is worth $27. I don't really wear eyeshadow. But the packaging is super cute. Okay, here's the front. And here's the inside. What are you chewing on? My dog has been eating leaves and rocks, and she's got a bowl full of food. It's making her throw up. It's disgusting. I don't know. I hope it's just a phase. So I'm going to hold on to this, and this will probably be like a gift for somebody. And then I got this beautiful makeup bag. It's like a frosty pink and marble with a rose gold zipper. Here's the zipper. Oh my gosh. This has a nice long handle on it. You could almost throw your ID and your money in here and go out. I like this. Okay, everybody. That's it. The box is empty. Thank you for joining me, and hopefully I'll see you soon. I have more back there waiting to be opened. Take care. God bless and rejoice in the day God gave you.